Hi children, welcome back. In the previous class, we were discussing about the multiplication rules and problems related to that. Let's continue. The table below gives some powers of 2. Using this, compute these problems. The first one is 16 into 64. Here, the fourth power of 2 is 16 and the sixth power of 2 is 64. So, we have to multiply these two numbers, that is 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 6. We had learned that for multiplication, we have to add the exponent, that is 2 raised to 4 plus 6, which is equal to 2 raised to 10. The value of 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So, we get the answer as 1024. Like this, try to do the rest of the questions in your textbook, page number 59. Next is division rule. The aim of this activity is to expand the general rule when we divide a larger power of a number by smaller power. For example, what is 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 2? Here, we can use the fact that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Then 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. And again 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. By using these facts, we can divide the number. Okay. Then using the product rule, 4 raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 3. From this, we get 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 2 is equal to 4 raised to 3, or 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to 2. Let's do one more example. Then what about 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 16? We have to find out by what should be multiplied to 8 raised to 16 to get 8 raised to 23. For that, we have to find what we should add to 16 to get 23. Then to find that number, subtract 16 from 23. That is, 23 minus 16 is equal to 7. So, 8 raised to 23 is equal to 8 raised to 16 into 8 raised to 7. Now we can find 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 16. Therefore, 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 16 is equal to 8 raised to 7. Let's see whether we can do this with the fraction powers. 2 by 3 the whole raised to 16 by 2 by 3 the whole raised to 9. Like before, first we have to subtract the exponent, that is 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Then 2 by 3 the whole raised to 16 is equal to 2 by 3 the whole raised to 9 into 2 by 3 the whole raised to 7. Then we get 2 by 3 the whole raised to 16 divided by 2 by 3 the whole raised to 9 is equal to 2 by 3 the whole raised to 7. Okay children, let's see the general rule for division rules. Let the number as x. Since the operation is division, x must not be 0. Let the larger exponent be m and the smaller exponent as n. So how do we find x raised to m divided by x raised to n? Yes, x raised to m is equal to x raised to n into x raised to m minus n. The reason for this is x raised to n into x raised to m minus n is equal to x raised to n plus m minus n. The positive n and the negative n get cancelled and the remaining is x raised to m. From this we get x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. In general, we can say that x raised to m by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n for any non-zero x and any natural numbers m and n with m greater than n. And in simple language, the quotient of any two powers of a number is a power of this number, and the exponent of the quotient is the difference of the exponents of the factors. Using this idea, let's do the problems in your textbook, page number 60. First question, what power of 2 we get on dividing 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3? As we have learnt that x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. Then 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to 2. If we divide 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3, we get the second power of 2. Second question, what power of 2 is the half of 2 raised to 10? So the half of 2 raised to 10 is equal to 2 raised to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 10. The power of 2 is 1. So 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 10 minus 1. It's equal to 2 raised to 9. Therefore, half of 2 raised to 10 is the 9th power of 2. Let's do one more question. Look at the table of powers of 2 and compute these quotient. 64 divided by 16. The 6th power of 2 is 64. So, write 64 as 2 raised to 6, and then 4th power of 2 is 16. So, divided by 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 2 raised to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, so 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. So, the answer is 4. Like this, try to do these questions in your textbook, page number 60. That's all for today. Thank you.